How to send view once photos or videos on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily send view once photos or videos on your WhatsApp. So first thing, simply head over to your WhatsApp and make sure you have successfully logged into your account. And let's say I want to send view once photos to this person. So simply click on your chat and head over to your camera icon over here. And once you click on your camera icon, simply open your gallery, and from your gallery just choose the photo which you want to send as a view once photo. And here's the magic, so you can simply tap on this one icon over here. So once you tap on it, it is set to view once. That means the person can only view it once when you send. So simply click on send. So we have successfully sent the view once photos. So you can do the same for your video as well. Just click on camera icon and simply head over to your gallery section and click on any videos just like this and click on right, and just again tap on this 1 second, and which allow it's used to set the video to view only once, and simply click on send. And just like that, you have successfully sent the view once photos and videos on WhatsApp. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.